Finally we got closer to dinner time, and today for dinner soup. Well, what name? It's I would call it camping soup. Ingredients: potatoes, veggies, sausage, and some spices and soup itself. Oh, it actually says Lipton soup secret. So let me start it. Okay, fire up. Approximately 2 tablespoons olive oil. One tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Veggies, except dill later. So onion, pepper, all kind of good stuff, and carrot. Okay, so let's see what's going on now. Oh yeah, okay, so it's done. Let me add some water. Some, it's mean like a half of Dutch oven. I would say that's it, enough. And potatoes. Okay, let it boil for a while. While waiting, my soup getting ready, let's drink some wine. No glass today, just a cup. Cheers, my friends, my subscribers, my future subscribers. If you like it, please like it. If you not like it, well, still click like it. Yeah. Glass of wine is great on camping. Next step, I will add some sausage. Ooh. And boil again for a while. I don't have a toaster with me. I place my bread over lid so it's here hot. And looks like getting toast. Now it's time for secret soup. What is secret soup? Oh, let's see. It's called camping, simple camping soup, not a secret soup. Yeah, it's more. I would use whole pack. Oh, looks good now. Let it boil for a while. Do you remember Chef Emerald, or whatever his name was? Like a big, short guy, Italian guy. He used to say, "Bam! Bam! Bam!" Oh, I should have bam here real good. Oh my goodness, we are getting somewhere. So I have very thick soup and I'm going to use a spoon. It's a wooden spoon. It's what peasant eats in 19th century, 19th century. Why? Because you eat very hot food. With wooden spoon, it's not so hot. Unbelievable! Oh my god, so tasty. Let me drink for that. Let me drink for that. For another successful camping. Cheers, my friends. Oh. Piece of toast. Heaven. Guys, you should stop by and try this soup. It's called secret soup, but I call it just camping soup. Yummy. I have to finish my camping real short today because it's coming huge rain and storm. So I need to get out here before I got real wet. See you in a couple weeks.